Okay.
Okay, so if we're gonna take a look at Placeit.com, Placeit.net, here we go. So we want to make some logos, and right now specifically we need to make a t-shirt logo. I like that you can search here for the type of design you're looking for, highlights, free, etc. But what I also like is that you can customize it. So let's see, let's just create your own design.
Check it out.
Let's see what's up. Company name, it's going to be under Unified Vibe. Ooh, abstract, alternative medicine. Let's see what they got for us. Okay. Love it. Very easy. Brings it all together for you. I like
Right?
that. Okay, so. Ooh, they've got our tree, my dog.
Nice.
Oh, so we're always saying we're rooted in the culture. We're heavily rooted in the industry, in the cannabis industry. So when you're kind of thinking about your creative process, it's nice to think about what is in your purpose and in your mission, and so you can implement that in your design. This tree is awesome. Love it. Now, as far as the background goes, I don't know about using the whole deal. It's a little feminine for the male shirts as well, but I do like where we're going here. So let's keep looking, because this like sacred geometry type style is really cool. What
I
about
like this.
I love this. Okay, that looks like a flower. This is really cool. Ooh, looks like Alex Gray art. Oh, this is really neat. Yeah, I'm loving this. Okay. Yeah, these are really cool. This is neat. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, I want to see some more options.
So it's similar to Canva, right?
Yeah, so this is really similar to Canva, except this auto generates for you, which Canva gives you templates that you then can use as well.
Okay.
But it doesn't auto populate for you the way this does. You know, it's a little simpler. With Canva, you kind of have to search for exactly what you want based upon the element or the photo, which is really cool as well. But as you can see, as the comparisons of the two, the navigation is definitely different. And I have to say that right now I'm kind of enjoying the way Placeit is a little more. I like how it also changes it for you automatically. So really cool.
A little bit more user friendly.
Yeah, just a bit more user friendly for sure, I'd say. Cool. So I really like that. I want to keep going with this style too and see what we can come up with. So awesome. We were able to find an icon we liked. We were able to change the colors to what we desired. If you go over here to the main, you'll see that this will be the icon editing, the color, the background. You can change the background if you want. So that was pretty easy and nice to do. And then you come over here to the left and you also get to edit the text here and the color. We changed the font to what we desired. Like it a lot. Didn't really have to change much of anything. And easily download. Make sure you favorite it. You can save as a draft if you're not quite sure. And you're good to go. And that's it.